Hello and welcome to my channel. Today will be a sharing from my journal. It's from last week, a beautiful walk in nature. Frosty days, they are so beautiful on a nature walk. White frost sparkling in the sun. Crunchy leaves under your boots. Peace and beauty only in nature. And who? Birds singing too. They always do. Lightening one's mood. Sun illuminating between the trees. And shadows of different kinds when you look around. Why does it feel so good when I'm here? I don't think about anything that's going on in the world in these moments. I want to bring as much peace with me when I go home as possible, and precious memories to cherish and put them on a piece of paper. That is my journal. Sometimes even 5 minutes is enough to make a difference for my mind when I'm out on the walk. The woods are still asleep, but soon life will come back once again with arrival of spring. It will look different again. There'll be even more noise than it is now. But that's what winter is all about. Rest, reflect, and slow down. A beautiful winter's day. And with that, I will leave you with the rest of my videos I have taken on a very beautiful morning last week when it was frosty and sunny. I'm still hibernating in so many ways and waiting patiently for arrival of the spring. But until then, I am just adapting to the nature season. May God bless you and take care.